What's up, guys? Let's talk about PIR sensors, which will allow us to do the motion detection for this project. A PIR sensor is a type of infrared device. PIR, or passive infrared, is used in motion detection. The sensor we're using is pretty simple to set up. It has a power pin, ground pin, and an output pin. Whenever it detects motion, the output pin will pulse high. When motion stops, the output will stop. Let's connect the sensor and see what we get. This is a circuit we're using. Be sure to check the pinout on your sensor. It may be a little bit different from mine. You'll notice I have an LED connected directly to pin 13. When we connect the LED to pin 13, we don't need to add a current limiting resistor, as there's already one built in on the Arduino. Let's go ahead and create a new sketch. Let's write a description. Simple motion detection with a PIR sensor. Let's create two variables, one for the LED and one for the PIR sensor. In the setup function, we set the LED as an output and the PIR sensor as an input. In the loop function, we use digital read to get the value of the sensor. Then we write that value to the LED pin. And that's it. Real simple sketch. Now these sensors need about 30 seconds to calibrate, so I'm going to add a 30-second delay to the setup function. Now after we upload the sketch, you're going to either want to leave the room for 30 seconds or just try to remain still for 30 seconds. Let's save and upload the sketch. Now we can see whenever we move, even the slightest movement, the sensor is triggered.